course, we must our gratitude goes to the family for the sacrifice they made, especially the wives and the children who persevere with them when they go for training and all that. And also to Ben and the boys, we congratulate for a back-to-back win. The achievement that was made, the first team to make a back-to-back win. And I would like to thank them and the government, on behalf of the government and people of Fiji. We support what Ben's plan for the first stage that he has achieved, to win the World Series and a goal for India. Yeah, it's already been included in the last year's budget for the preparation of, and all the celebration will be held in Suva, and according to Ben's request that there should be a short celebration, and I think the consort of sponsors is aware of that, and the Vodafone too is aware. But the government have the support, not only in rugby, in all national sports organizations. Yeah, we should support the boys, as I've said. Just like I have alluded before, that win or lose, we should support the boys. The main thing is very good.